Ahoy hoy! Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Sunday Motivation. Today we're doing a full week-long clean with me. I'm starting out by doing the dirty work on the floor. That is the Bissell pet cleaner. It is absolutely amazing. Winston has had some little incidents on the floor with having all of that baby food being tossed around now that Rory's fully on solids. So, well, he's not fully on solids. He has bottles, but he has three full meals a day, and so the dog eats a lot of stuff off the floor. I'm babbling on about this. Okay, I'll let it go. But anyways, it works really good, especially on puke stains. All right, I'm done.
Touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but hate has got some indecisive. I'm overfighting. I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone.
So today is sheet day, and I actually don't end up putting the new sheets back on the bed. I leave them off because my boyfriend has to rotate the mattress. I cannot move that thing by myself.
Don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
So here I'm just making some homemade toaster strudels with some phyllo dough I found in the freezer, and I'm just filling it with that rhubarb jam that I made. If you have not seen that video, I do have the recipe linked, so I will put that down in the description box. You can go check out that video, and if you're interested in the jam recipe. But this is basically just buttering phyllo dough, a couple sheets at a time, and then in the middle loading it up with jam and baking it. I made some frosting for them, and they're almost exactly like toaster strudels, except a little less dense, so they're pretty good.
Still young, why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me.
probably one of my favorite closet hacks. That is a skirt or a pant hanger, and I use it for all of my maxi dresses. I don't have a whole lot, but to save space so they're not like dragging on the floor in the closet, I just fold them in half and then put them in the clips.
Let's go.
Absolutely love listening to podcasts specifically while I'm cleaning, and the one I'm listening to right now, I believe, is the Mile Higher podcast. That's it's Kendall Ray's and her husband. It's pretty good. I flip through a lot of the episodes. Sometimes I'll just outright delete them, and sometimes I fully listen right to the end. But I think the one I'm listening to here is actually a Martin Luther King one, and it actually is really good, worth checking out. So funny story, it actually took me about 15 full minutes to get the cover on that couch, and then as soon as Roy woke up from his nap, I went to go change his butt on the couch and did not check, and there ended up being a little bit of a poop explosion. I was very hot and tired this day. We all make mistakes, you know how it is. Wondering where the hell I am right now and what I am doing, I'm upstairs in the office, which is not a functioning office yet, which is why you haven't seen it, and I'm actually shredding paper right now. Turns out my boyfriend and I both had like years and years of things that needed to be shredded, and I've been slowly working through this bin for almost a month now, and I was so happy at the end of this. I finally got to the end of the bin, so we can finally move on to working on other areas of this room, because it is a tragic mess right now.
There goes a sight from my soul.
This amazing thing is an industrial push broom. Works so good on the deck, it gets right up in those cracks. It's amazing.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think it's all angels just walk by. 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 There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
Alrighty folks, well we've hit the end of the video. I'm gonna leave it here and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you want more. I do this every Sunday. We will see you in the next one.